Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw an arrow in Google Docs. Open your Docs file, now select your drawing position option. Now select insert option. Here you will find this drawing option, select and select new plus option. And now select this option. Here you will find this arrow option, drawing arrow. Now draw your arrow. All it says arrow's border white and field color also is red. Now here you can sense end option is all also. Now you can move this arrows. Also you can increase decrease arrow size. I will say border white. Now you can add another arrows. Select here. I can select here custom arrows. This one field color. Choose border color. I mean red. Again choose here and choose these arrows. Move this here. Yeah. Again I will arrow another arrow. This side. This one. And this is. Now you can simply save and close. Yeah. Or drawing arrow already added here. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.